I'm very grateful for this opportunity. Actually, this is my second time in Birmingham, and people in other cities are not very happy that I'm not going to Manchester or to Bradford, and I'm here for the second time. But this reflects the warmth, as Lord Khan said, of the Pakistani, British Pakistani community, the Kashmiri community residing in Birmingham. I about 25 years ago, I was studying at a university very close to here, at the University of Warwick, and I used to come to Birmingham regularly. So Birmingham definitely has a special place in my heart. Today we are gathered here for the 14th of August Independence Day commemoration and the 6th of September Defence Day. Both the days are critical. The first, we got independence. The second, when we faced a direct threat to Pakistan through the borders from our neighbor 6 times larger than us, and we defended and repulsed the attack. We're very proud of it. And the people and the armed forces stood as one, and they continue to do that. And the diaspora, of course, is very close to us when we talk of these 2 days, both the days. The collaboration between UK and Pakistan has moved from strength to strength, and it is becoming stronger, and we want it to become even stronger. And the main bridge in that would be the Pakistani community residing here. We will be banking upon all of you to further strengthen this bridge. I can inform you here that day after tomorrow, my new foreign minister is landing in London for a 4-day visit, bilateral plus Commonwealth. And we expect many more such visits in the month of September. Things are really on the uptick when we talk of Pakistan-UK relations, and we would be reaching out to the diaspora. We would be talking to you in this and seeking your help and support in this regard. I was just, Lord Khan mentioned PIA. We are in active discussions now, and the team is visiting from UK, the final visit I presume, and we are looking at opening up of PIA flights to all places in UK where they used to come, probably in a month or max 2 months, inshallah. So this is good news, but of course the final check is yet to be made, and the team is there. But this is very high on the agenda, on my agenda, my foreign minister's agenda when he comes, and somebody else when he comes. So we will be actively following this up. I thank you all. I see others up there. He's been sending me messages and I haven't been able to reply. Sorry, we will be in touch. Thank you very much to all of you, and many friends amongst you, because I have spent time here, and it was only 20 years ago. So thank you very much. It is wonderful to be here, and wonderful for this arrangement, and I can definitely assure you we did not bring this weather. This is your own.